So as you guys can see, this is the GoPro 9. The quality is amazing. Truly does what you could ever imagine. It is just top-notch quality. I have the Hero 4 silver, the Hero 7 and 8 black, and the 9 is definitely my favorite. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Scott's Honest Review. So today we are opening the GoPro Hero 9 Black 20MP for photos. It can record 5K at 30 frames per second or 4K at 60. You can go under 33 feet of water. You can live stream with this. It's got Hyper Smooth 3.0. I am super excited and I can't wait to actually look at this. Oh man, look at that. Look at that GoPro Hero 9. So we get the Type-C cable, a spare battery, some different mounts here. We got some extra goodies in here, stuff that don't really matter. And we got the actual Hero. So this is direct from Amazon's GoPro. Look at that. GoPro Hero 9. There she is. So this flips down like the 8. Let's see if they made this any better. So they seem to have issues with trying to get this. It looks like they made that just as hard. So this is a Hero 8, 7, 6, and 5 battery. So as you can see, the batteries are different. In size-wise, the 9 is much bigger. So upgraded battery, that's a big plus. I mean, I got like 10 of these little batteries for my 8 and 7. So it's nice to know that there's a big one, except you can't interchange them, so that's a bit disappointing. Alright, so we installed a 256 gigabyte SD card, and now we're going to go ahead, place the battery in, and see if we can power this little guy up. We're not taking off our protective screen yet, so I always recommend anytime you get something new, a device, get tempered glass screen protector. So you get a tempered glass for here, here, and here. So let's go ahead and power this on. Right away, it's loading GoPro. We're going to select English. By using this GoPro, I agree. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so we're going to turn on location or tags. We have to do that with the app, so we'll just do it another time. Alright, so we're going to set the date. We're definitely upping that to, I always use 2.7K. That's kind of my standard at 60 frames a second, so that's good. That's crazy. And the standard is 2.7 at 60.